Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making a pesto gnocchi tray bake. This is a great recipe. Just throw everything in your baking tray and let your oven do the work. So, let's start.
Grab an oven dish and spread some of the pesto on the bottom. We already made this in the previous episode, so to watch how you make it, click the link above. Now toss in the gnocchi we also made in the previous episode. Click the link above to see how you can make your own homemade gnocchi. Make sure everything is nice and coated. The oven dish I was using was a bit too small, so I transferred everything into a slightly bigger one. Put in the green peas and stir together. For the last step, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese over the top. It already looks delicious before it goes into the oven. Bake this in 190 degrees Celsius oven for around 15 minutes and enjoy it hot or cold.
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos of me. And make sure to let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I see you in the next one.